Welcome back to my channel! So for this morning, we will be making banana Q. Alright, so there are just two things that you just need apart from the cooking oil. Of course, we just need ato ang saging. And then ato ang 1/2 kilo brown sugar. Nganong brown sugar? Because the color is very enticing, no? And at the same time, dili kay mahal compared sa white sugar. Nga to ang magyupong ginaapas is caramelized ang kanang nagpalibot sa ato ang banana Q. Alright, so the first step is to peel this off and to make it and to slice it into tiny chunks, enough for us to make our banana Q. So, shout out di ay sa akong kuya sa Abu Dhabi, Kuya Rio, Densing Marfil, imuhan ning request kiya, ihanda imong laway kay maglaway jud ka. Okay, so pag umana na itong hiwa tanan, next step would be frying this. So dili pa ta mag-caramelize na. Ito sa siyang paluto-lutoon gamay bago na to inunod ang ato ang asukar. Dapat tagan jud siyang mantika. Alright, so ato nang ibutang pag luto-luto na gamay, nag-brown-brown na siya. So ato ang sunod na ibutang is ato ang brown sugar.
A few moments later.
Like, oh my god, it's so caramelized already. So yeah, inaani siya dagway, inaani siya kagwapa. And the color, you'd really love the color. It's so nice. Yes. Ano yung siya, oh? Dool ko, Jol? Oh. Yeah, you like it. You like it sweet and kanang daghan bitaw pa nang nikuputsud bitaw ang iyang asukar. I-mix ng gid mo ni siya kay magpilit ni siya, and worse if napakay third batch or second batch sa mga saging nga ipamutang kung mag-itom na siya, if dili bitaw kay nato siya matarong og dispose from one batch to another.
2 hours later.
And here's our finished product! Alright, so muuni ang pagbuhat sa lamian na banana Q. Alright, once again, this is Micaela Ana TV. And karon ready na mi sa among merienda Sunday morning, no? Na aming lemon blend. Parisa namo og amo ang banana Q. So once again, this is Micaela Ana TV. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and please continue to support me in this endeavor. We shall fight this COVID together. Stay at home, make yourselves productive, and at the same time, please do not ever forget to like, subscribe, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you!